As Kebab Rolls completed 10 years, they decided they wanted to go in for an overhauling. The new ambience extends the royal theme and the essence of the place furthermore. With warm colors on the wall, thematic paintings, and seating with bold hues, Kebab Rolls aims to give their customers not only good food but a great ambience as well.
I've been coming here for years now. The food, one word. It's just like food from home, like the way your mother would cook it.
We feel when we eat everything we like, at the end the bill is acceptable to us also.
Kebab Rolls credits its 10 years run and success to the consistency in their food and hospitality. The staff at this place has been loyally feeding Dubai since a decade and does not intend to leave anytime soon.
The focus is on the quality of food we serve at affordable pricing, and masalas from the ingredients, from the meat which is used, so there's no compromise on that. So we do not look around outside as far as others, competition I'm talking about, what they serve, but what we do purely focus is in-house. We just want to make sure that the customer at the end of the day is left with a great experience, great food experience.
This is one of my favorite restaurants. I come here regularly to enjoy Pakistani food, especially chicken tikka is my favorite one over here.
At Kebab Rolls, the kebabs and the rolls are a hit, but customers also feed on main course and of course the chaat.
The best chaat in Dubai. This hits home. Absolutely love it. It's been the same flavor since I started coming here years ago, almost 10. I still enjoy it the same way I did the first time I had it.
A pocket-friendly menu makes sure that everyone enjoys good home-style food at this place. For kids in the UAE who have their inhibitions about street food, this seems to be a trusted option.
It's like just gorgeous out here. It's like very spick and span.
The major point of coming to this place is the ambience. The staff is really good and the service is really amazing. And obviously we come here for food, so the food is really, really good as well.
There's food for everyone and quality food. That's what we focus on.
I recommend anyone to come to this place. It's a beautiful place.
So that's all we have in this episode of Weekend Out, but I've got to tell you this, that next week is going to be bright and colorful because yes, next week होगा हमारा Diwali special. हम आपको वो सारी चीजें बताएंगे that you can do with your friends and family to make your Diwali extra special. Till then, no सवाल, no doubt, सबका solution. Weekend Out.